Hello class, welcome to CGT 356, Web Programming and Design. I am Professor Ron Glotzbach. I've developed this and other courses. At the time of this recording, I am the lead for Web Programming and Design. I'm also the Curriculum Chair and also the Educational Policy Chair. Let me give you a little background about myself, I guess. I got my bachelor's from computer graphics technology. I got my master's in technology. Along the way, I did 3 co-op sessions with the Boeing Company in St. Louis, Missouri, where I was a software engineer. I wrote C++ code for the F-15 Distributed Mission Trainer. I turned down a 4th co-op opportunity to go to Microsoft. At Microsoft, I was a software test engineer working in the Office.net area. Purdue hired me with a master's degree as a strategic hire. I was hired to bring programming into the department, which I turned into web programming, which is what you have today. And so we'll go through some of the courses and things that we have to offer here. I'm happy to say that in the last many years, we have a very strong record of placing our students because of these courses that have been developed. Let's take a look at the 356 site here. And so I'll introduce this course. There's also 353 and 456. Each of those courses I have developed, and I would recommend that you take all of them. And we are currently working on developing newer courses, which may be developed by the time you take this, which I'd also recommend. Try to get as many of the courses in as you can. Try not to leave any out. So you can find information about the site, about the course here at the site. My email address is down here, rjglotzbach@purdue.edu. My office is in Knoy 319. There may be a TA that is going through this with me, and that'll change from semester to semester, so you'll just have to check the actual website when you're taking the class. Across the top here you have semester details, which will land you on this page. There's the weekly layout, and this page pretty well governs the class. On the left-hand column you'll see the weeks as we go down through there. That will obviously change for your semester. If there are notes that you can look at for the course, they will be in this column. So you can see that there are a lot of things posted there already. If there is an assignment in the course, it will be listed in this column, and you'll be able to go to it and read about it. If there is something due that you need to turn in, it will be listed in this column here. And so you can see that something is listed next to each one of these as you go down through here. And then the readings are pretty much optional. I'm not going to force you to do the readings, but they will help you in understanding. Let's come and look at the syllabus over here. So this course is primarily back-end, where we do most of our programming on the web server. We use PHP and MySQL throughout this course. There's some XML at the end of it. We use a lot of JavaScript, some jQuery, a lot of CSS. We have another course, 353, which is heavily front-end. And then, so we focus independently on back-end in this class, independently on front-end in another class, and then the expectation is that you've had enough of both of those coming through that now you really start putting them together after you take those classes. So this course Deals a lot with PHP, MySQL, as I said. You'll learn structured query language. You do have a couple of prerequisites to get into the course. Check with your counselor, your academic advisor, if you have questions about that, but typically you need CGT 141, the intro web course, as well as another programming class to get in. And we're pretty open as to what that other programming class can be. You do not have to install a web server on your own or PHP on your own, but if being a web developer is what you want to be, you may very well want to do it. And so there's some helpful hints. PHP is free. You can download and install it for free. MySQL is free. So you can go and get those without any cost to you. The books for the course, you do not have to buy any books. They are all online. You go through the Purdue libraries, live.purdue.edu, which is linked right here. And let me actually open that in a new tab so that I can come back to the website more quickly. Once you are here, go to databases. Within the databases, you can either click on S and search, or you can come here and type Safari, and you'll see Safari Books Online comes up. Choose that, and this is where you will want to go. You will need to be on campus or have your VPN enabled in order to access the books for this course. You'll see here that the libraries asks me for my career account login and password. Whoops. Let's get rid of that. And then as this loads, you'll see that we've got Safari Books Online, ProQuest. You'll see there's a Purdue University tab, and you can search for just about anything. Now, I have picked a couple of books for the course, and I've pointed out some chapters to look at, but there are many, many, many others that you could look at if you find that you learn better from a different book. So just typing PHP gets you any number of books. All of these books are full volumes. Let's come back here and let's try one of these, see if it opens for us. So here's this book. There's the table of contents. Let's go to What is PHP? And now we are looking at the pages within this book, and you can navigate through the pages. Maybe. Well, we are right here. Some of PHP's strengths. What's new in PHP 5? But anyway, we see that it would probably work here a little better. Let's come back to PHP and something like that. Let's see if we have a little better luck. Table of contents. What is PHP? And now, when this loads, there we go. Much better. Not only that, but you can search within the book. So let's say that you're looking for something specific in PHP. You can go to search this book, type for whatever that happens to be, hit go, and it will find it within the book. So all of the texts are that way for all of my web courses. And this is why I opened it in a new tab the other time. So, in general, it's best if you make sure that you watch all of the videos. There are videos that show you exactly how to complete assignments, and so make sure that you watch the videos and learn from them. That's the best advice I can give you. We come back here, and I think that's where I will wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you and talk to you through the rest of the videos in the class.